This is the February TOYL box. This box has a value of £101.95 and the edit is called The Fantastic Five. So let's see what they class as the Fantastic Five. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this is the February TOYL box. We're a little bit late with this one, but let's get in here to see what we've got. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any of my videos. And yeah, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. And inside, this is what we get. We get the edit card here, which is great. It has information on all the products, and then the products are just inside there. So yes, this box is a little bit late because I received it late. So for 3 or 4 months they were sending it to the wrong address. They were sending it to my old address. They just couldn't get it into their system that I'd moved house. So yeah, then things went okay. It started coming to my new address, and then this month, yeah, they posted it to my old address again. I got in contact with them and I was like, what's going on? But I must say, Karen rang me personally and apologised profusely and was like, look, we're going to send it to your new address now. We do apologise, we're going to give you a refund. That's exactly what they've done. They've sent it out as quickly as they could, and I have received a full refund for this month in my bank. So yes, if you are moving house, I just get in contact with them and try and get some good communication going to like see that you don't have the trouble that I've gone through, because it's just a headache really. But thank you very much, Karen, for getting this box to me. I really appreciate it. So yes, it says on here this box is worth £101.95, and it's called The Fantastic Five. There you go, there's a little sneak peek for you, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. The first product we have in the box is this is by the brand Ren, and it is brightening dark circle eye cream. Let's have a look. Wow, these have an RRP of £44. The brand says it's proven to visibly reduce dark circles just after 7 days. This lightweight eye cream delivers a brightening burst of hydration that instantly revives tired eyes, helps to even skin tone, lifts and improves appearance of firmness. That sounds amazing. It says here to use morning and nighttime. Use only 1 pump for both eyes. Gently tap under the eyelid and brow bone area until absorbed. So yeah, cool. I mean, that's some bold claims that you're going to see improvements within 7 days. Would anybody like me to do a video where I film using this morning and night for 7 days and do like some before and after pictures? Would you like me to do that? Comment down below. If I get enough comments saying yeah, then I'll certainly get to it. Forgot to put my box out. There we go. Second item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand esho. ESHO. Esho, I hope I'm saying that right, and it's called Pause Lip Serum. This has a value of £19.99, and the brand says pause time and aim to keep your lips looking full and youthful for longer with this lip formula, an anti-aging peptide based bioactive formula that aims to maintain the appearance of youthful lips. Ideal for helping mature lips to appear plump and hydrated, to help maintain youthful lips, or to help those with lip filler to maintain a look of results post-treatment, or be aiming to slow the process down of how we break down and lose hyaluronic acid. Okay, so I think what you do with this, obviously you put it on the lips. I think you actually overline your lips with it as well. Oh, can't get it out. This is what it looks like. Ooh, so there it is there. Can you see that come out there? Oh, I squeezed too much. I've actually got nothing on my lips now. Let's just pop some on. Oh. So just overlining as I do it. And that is what it looks like. That feels like it's going to dry down as well. And then once it is, you can pop whatever you're having on your lips. But what I noticed when I was putting this on, that's like a silicone soft thing that you're putting it on with. That feels really, really nice on the lips. It really, really does. I'll leave that till the end of the video and see what it feels like then. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand eyeko, and this is Clear Brow Gel. It has an RRP of £18. The brand says a nourishing clear gel that sets brows in place for 24-hour wear, leaving you with a laminated brow look without the need of a visit to a salon. An extension to our fan favourite brow gel. This clear version provides instant definition to lock your brows into place. Simply brush through the brow. Simply brush through the brows to set in place. Okay, I mean, I love eyeko mascaras. All the mascaras I've received from eyeko have been absolutely amazing. This is what this looks like. I do normally have a tinted brow thing, but I want to start going to the gym and that. This is going to be great because I don't want to be wearing a full face of makeup in the gym. This will be great just so I know that my eyebrows are on fleek. But yeah, there's the little one. The fourth product we have in this box is this. It is by the brand Illamasqua, and this is Colour Veil. It has an RRP of £20. The brand says an innovative hybrid blusher combining the intense pigment of a powder with the innovative properties of the best-selling Hydra Veil primer. This blush is a buildable pigment in a soft jelly texture that feels refreshing on application and blends seamlessly. The cheek colour ensures a fresh airbrushed effect with zero caking. Okay, that does sound interesting. This is in the shade Entice. This is what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Very pigmented. I'm just going to take some out the lid. And I've probably even taken too much there, but never mind. So this is what I've done. Yeah, I took way too much. Oh my god, how pigmented is this? Oh my god. So a little bit of this is going to go a long, long way. Holy moly. And there's still a load left on my finger. Yeah, but that is what that's looking like. Very, very nice. Very nice. Really nice colour as well. Just be very careful with the amount that you put on, because when they say it's pigmented, they actually mean that it's pigmented. And final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand My Sweet Smile, and this is teeth whitening strips. Oh, okay. This has a value of £1.71. Let's have a look. The brand says our teeth whitening strips use the active whitening ingredient PAP, which delivers instantly noticeable and professional whitening results after just a single use 30-minute treatment. It just says, yeah, no nasty side effects. On the back here, it just says tear open the sachet, dry your teeth with a towel. Okay. Place lower strip on first, then the upper. Leave the strip for 30 minutes before removing, and then repeat for 14 consecutive nights for a wider smile. Okay, it's just one set, so you've got one night's treatment here. You've got one for the lower and one for the upper. It would have been nice to get like an actual set of these maybe. But I suppose to get one, it'd be nice to try. If you do see results from one, then yes, it will be nice to try. It's just, yeah, we just get one little set here. Okay, should I do a little video on that as well? I probably will. So this is the February TOYL box. This edit is called the Fantastic 5, and it has a worth of £101.95. What do you think? Personally, I think this is an awesome box. trying to forget the fact that they messed up on delivering to the wrong dress again. Totally ignoring that. This box is awesome. The Ren product that we get in here sounds amazing, and if we can get results off that and see results just in 7 days, I really want to try that out. I really want to do a video on that as well and film myself for 7 days using it to see if we can see a difference. We've got the lip serum, which, yeah, totally dried down now. Can't tell that anything's there, to be honest. Yeah, no, I can't feel anything. The brow gel. As I say, I love eyeko mascaras, so I'm bound to love the eyeko brow gel. And like that it's clear as well, so without putting a full face of makeup on for the gym, at least I can set my brows in place and have something on fleek while I'm there. The illamasqua blusher. Wow, how pigmented. It's absolutely insane. And yeah, it's nice to get those. It would have been nice to get a set of them, but still we've got one to try, I suppose. But overall, as a box, absolutely over the moon with what I've got. Love it. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.